everyone, welcome to Mrs. Diva, welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva, YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva, and now TikTok channel of Mrs. Diva as well. So for quite some time we have been discussing a lot about live videos, Facebook live sessions, and we have already covered a few topics like what is a live session, why you should do it, and tips on how to conduct an amazing live session. And today we are going to discuss a few ideas for live sessions, guys. So some of you have come back to me and asked, what can we conduct a live session around? So I have collated a few of the ideas for you to for you all to keep in mind that these could be some of the live sessions that you all can do. So let's just start with them one by one. So the first thing is that you can launch a new product. So whenever you're coming up with a new product, you can do a live session and inform your viewers about it. Tell them that this is the new product that I'm coming up with, and do a little bit of product launch. So like these big companies do in these trade shows and big exhibitions. So our live sessions can treat your own live sessions as those product launch videos, and this is one thing that you can do. Then you can also conduct AMA sessions. So what are these AMA sessions? They are Ask Me Anything sessions. So if you're an expert on any topic, or if you also are selling products and you want people to ask questions so that you can answer them, then you can simply do a live session with the AMA agenda. So it could be Ask Me Anything. Inform them in advance. Tell them that you're going to do a Ask Me Anything session. AMA sessions are very, very famous these days, guys. A lot of experts do these AMA sessions, and they are a great crowd puller. A lot of people then come to know about you and your services. You could be a consultant, you could be a Vastu expert, you could be a tarot reader, you could be anything. But these sessions are a great crowd puller. You get a huge visibility. You can market your product well. You can position your services well, and you always get a huge response. So this is another idea. Then you can simply do a tutorial video. You can teach them something. So for example, if you are a baker and you take classes about how to bake a cake, you can at least teach them how to bake a muffin. So, or how to bake a cookie. So this could be another live session. Again, these will be these sessions are very interesting for people, and these sessions let them understand and see you as an expert. They will see how well you work. They will see the amazing work that you are doing, and it will let them understand that you are an expert in your area. So this was another idea. And then you can also do product explainer or video showcase, product showcase videos. So what that means? That simply means that if you're dealing in some products and you want people to know about the product. So for example, if you're selling cosmetics and you want to tell people that your cosmetics are amazing and you want to tell them how can they use them, then do a product showcase video. Do a product explainer video. If you're selling gift items, just go live and tell people that this is my gift item. See, this is the new product that I have come up with, and it has these uses. Or so something like or maybe even a service explainer video. So if you're into home makeover, you can tell people that so this is the new home that I'm going to give a makeover to, or this is how it looked like before. So simple ideas like these. Then you can also give a live tour of your place, of your studio, or of your office. So if you're working out of your own studio, if you're an artist or you're a painter or you're a baker or you are a cook, and you want people to kind of behind the scenes, so that's a great way to engage with people and give them a sneak peek of who you actually are and what you actually do. Go live. Just take your camera in your studio and go live. Show them every nook and corner. Show them the mess, guys. Don't be afraid of showing the mess, because that is who you actually are. That is how everybody works. When you are cooking something in the kitchen, the mess is bound to happen. It will definitely be messy. Don't be afraid of it. It just makes you more real. People are able to connect with you in a better way. They will see that I respect her so much, or she is my like diva for cooking or for painting, and this is how she is doing her work. Wow. So it is very exciting for people to know more about you. So you can simply give them tours. And then you can meet in also have meet and greet session with your clients at an exhibition, and you can go live. You're attending an event, then just simply go live, talk to your clients there, record them, simply go live and ask them, how do you like my services, or how did you like my product, and let people hear about it. It's another great way to pull more traffic and get more engagement. And then you can also answer the questions that people have asked you or your clients have asked you. So a lot of times I do live sessions for answering the questions that my clients or my group members have asked me. So for example, this video, what are the ideas of live sessions, this question was also asked by my client only. So I just wanted to do a video, and I thought that it could be a great idea for others as well. They also might want to know about it. So of course this is not a live video, but then you can use these live videos to answer the questions of the people, answer the questions of your clients and your followers, of course. Then you can also create a private group. So a lot of nutritionists and weight loss experts, health coaches, they run private groups where they give you paid content. Now in these groups, you can create these groups and go live and give the information out there, give a collective session, guys. These groups could be paid also, they could be free also, but this is a great way to connect with all of your followers at one single platform. And then of course we have already spoken about behind the scenes. So behind the scenes could also be for a makeover expert. So if you are doing the makeover of a bride, you can show how she is now and how she's looking now, and this is how she looks after you have dressed her up. Or if you're giving even if you're doing a house makeover, or even if you are cooking something, anything, guys, behind the scenes of course could be about anything. So again, behind the scenes is also a great idea for live sessions. And then last idea is about sharing your own story. So share about yourself, guys, share your story, share about your challenges, let people know that you have fought so many odds, or this was your journey, these were the challenges you faced, or this is how you overcame these challenges. Such stories are so inspirational, and a lot of people want to know about how you overcame all the challenges you faced. So live sessions are a great way to do that, guys. So these are the few ideas that I had around planning live sessions. And of course feedback live sessions can always be conducted. You can just go live and take feedback from your clients. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Before I sign off, please like this video and comment on it and share it wherever you are watching it, Facebook, YouTube, wherever. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until we meet next time, guys, bye bye.